there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. If you're new tuning in, a warm welcome. So glad that you decided to check out today's video. So today's video is going to be a super short review of the Neutrogena makeup remover pads. You guys, I have come to love this. Last year I did show you guys this. I used some of these from stocking stuffers. But anyway, this is what the little pad looks like. Very small. They're individually wrapped. But let me tell you, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Look how big this wipe is. Like, I absolutely love it. Y'all, this wipe is ultra soft, pre-moistened, and it gently cleans the skin and removes the makeup. You guys, I had some fallout from the eyeshadow that I applied. And so this wipe, after one or two swipes or wipes, it was clean the way that I needed it to be. So I really love that. This wipe removes makeup effectively in one easy step. Okay, so look at that. Proof is in the pudding, hands down. Okay, so these wipes are 100% plant-based wipes that removes dirt, oil, makeup, sweat, sunscreen, and pollution on the skin. Now, let me just FYI you guys, disposable of these wipes, you will need to throw it away in a trash bin. Whatever you do, do not flush it down the toilet. So now that I've done what I needed to do, I'm still using the same wipe. And I am completely removing the makeup, you guys. And again, after one or two wipes, the makeup effortlessly comes off with no problem, as you guys can clearly see here. So I am really loving that, okay? When it comes to removing makeup, even the stubborn waterproof mascara, these wipes effortlessly removes that mascara, okay? These wipes are ophthalmologists and dermatologists and allergy tested. It is gentle on the skin. They are formulated without parabens, sulfates, alcohol, soaps, or dyes, and phthalates. I don't know. I cannot pronounce it, you guys. I am not a medical physician, so some of these words I'm just probably killing them because I cannot properly pronunciate them. These daily face wipes are gentle on the sensitive area of the eye, but please, you guys, just make sure not to get it in your eye. As you guys can also see, I did use these on my lips to remove the makeup, and it did wonders. Now let me tell you guys, don't eat it, okay? Now I did taste it because for the sake of the video, it's a horrible taste. So if you're going to apply this on your lip to remove your lipstick, you guys, just be mindful that it has a bad taste to it. It's not meant for you to eat. It's meant for you to wipe your face. So this is what the pack looks like. As you guys can see, 20 comes in this particular bag. You can purchase these individually wrapped wipes at various stores, which I will have down in the description box below. Or you can purchase it online. I like this bag because it's like a Ziploc type bag. So as you guys can see, it totally zips really well and is able to hold the wipes. It also has biggest day, as I mentioned earlier. Do not flush, okay? 20 comes in the bag, if I recall correctly. And I can't remember how many floral ounces, but I really love it. It's something that you should definitely have in your stash. I hope this video was helpful. Smooches.